Tesla already has and continues to expand its global presence in manufacturing, but so far these gigafactories have been erected with more niche production objectives in mind. The name comes from the unit of measurement representing billions. You probably know about Tesla's first Gigafactory in Sparks, Nevada. Another Gigafactory is in Buffalo, New York, and the third one is in Shanghai, China. However, this is not enough for Tesla to have factories in America and Asia, so it was decided to build a Gigafactory on another continent, Europe. Welcome to the Tesla Addict channel. If you haven't heard the news, now is the time. Tesla's $7 billion Gigafactory has been approved, which means that Tesla's stock will explode. So stay with us and find out all about this. To get started with the story, all you have to do is like and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell so you don't miss more videos like this. Are you ready? Here we go. We all know that Tesla is a well-known brand of electric cars, but in addition to the cars of its factory, they also make various other things that require advanced technology. With the growing visions of Elon Musk and the increase of capital, Tesla made the already mentioned Gigafactory. The Gigafactories are considered to be cutting edge in terms of automation. Tesla has bought several leading automated machine companies over the last few years. This will not make the facilities any less exploitative, but markets are betting it will give the company edge. The Gigafactory that has been waiting for a long time to start working and increase the value of Tesla's stock is the Gigafactory in Berlin, Germany. Although there were a lot of problems and delays, Musk did not give up on this idea, and it seems that in the end he managed to turn his idea into action. Tesla has for months been awaiting approval for a license to begin production at the electric vehicle factory and adjacent battery plant in Grünheide near Berlin, slowed down by red tape and local opposition. CEO Elon Musk has made his irritation for German laws and processes known, saying in a letter to authorities last year that the country's complex planning requirements were at odds with the urgency needed to fight climate change. And finally, German authorities approved for Tesla to begin production of electric vehicles and battery cells at its first major assembly plant in Europe after months of delays and disputes, paving the way for the electric car company to begin production of its Model Y sport utility vehicle. The announcement was critical for Tesla, which had raced to begin the construction of the $7 billion plants 2 years ago without waiting for the German bureaucracy, a move that risked having to tear down the plant had the approval not been secured. Tesla posted record-breaking sales in 2021, a year when it became the industry's first trillion-dollar automaker. The new plant is expected to expand the company's earnings in Europe, where its cars are already top sellers among electric vehicles. The arrival of the U.S. giant has put Germany's traditional automakers on notice that they must raise their game or lose out to a company seen as much as a tech giant as a competitor. Tesla has said it plans to produce 500,000 vehicles at the new facility known as Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg. It took just more than 2 years for construction to be completed to an extent to begin production, record time for a major factory in Germany, but slower than the company's chief executive Elon Musk had hoped. The company has said the plant will eventually employ more than 12,000 people, and the company is still seeking to fill hundreds of jobs for engineers, operators, and managers, as well as others. Mr. Musk has indicated that one attraction of Germany was its automaking tradition and deep pool of engineering expertise, which he already capitalized on by acquiring a German company specialized in automation and chip production in 2017. Overall, the U.S. automaker sold 34,389 vehicles in Germany in 2021, up from 9,357 in 2019. Until now, the Model Y has been imported from Shanghai. Model 3 Teslas, which last year topped the list of the most popular electric cars in Germany and all of Europe, according to JATO Dynamics, a market research firm, are imported from the United States. The new Tesla plant is about 100 miles east of Wolfsburg, home to the company's biggest German rival in the market for electric vehicles, Volkswagen. Long dominant on the domestic market for cars with combustion engines, the traditional automaker is already scrambling to catch up with its new rival, with plans to build their new plant dedicated to building electric vehicles. For Musk, Giga Berlin is of strategic importance. Together with a new factory in Austin, Texas, he hopes to see Tesla become a real mass producer of electric cars in the year. The U.S. car manufacturer could be able to produce 1.3 million units globally in 2023, If it succeeds, it would leave behind such renowned brands as Volvo and Mitsubishi and be on a level playing field with Volkswagen's Skoda. Regional politicians see Giga Berlin as the most significant investment project across eastern Germany and have pinned great hope on the factory's long-term economic effect. The state of Brandenburg, which surrounds Berlin, is economically underdeveloped, with agriculture and above all mining being the most important sources of income apart from tourism. But coal mining is to be phased out and new employment opportunities are desperately needed. With the opening of this factory, everyone will have benefits. Tesla will increase its wealth, Europeans will get great cars, and unemployed citizens around Berlin will finally get a job. This is going to be great, right? Would you agree that with the opening of this Gigafactory in Berlin, Tesla has secured its way to the top of the electric vehicle industry? Well done, Mr. Musk. What do you think about this? Are you a fan of Tesla cars? We look forward to your comments. We would also like to get a like from you. At the end of the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next video. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Meet you soon.